Anyway, it's good though.
Yeah.
So remember. Okay, today we're here with Stephanie. Stephanie was a previous patient with me a few years ago, and I remember you coming in for back pain, mid-back pain, referred by other patients that are still here. So what brings you in today?
Before the coronavirus hit and the gym shut down, I was working out pretty regularly.
Okay.
And I would feel, after I would do something, my back would feel really tight. I feel like it needed to pop almost.
Sure.
And then since I've been staying home lately, I've been watching a lot of TV, I've been sitting on the couch, and I'd get up and then my lower back would hurt.
So you got a lower back problem, and then middle back. You're feeling that when you were working out. And
Yeah.
you're seeing pretty regularly. How often is that? Once, 3 or 4 times a week or more?
About 4 to 5 times a week.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you doing weightlifting, cardiovascular work, both?
Both.
Okay. And then with the coronavirus, being at home, you got some lower back pain.
Yes.
How strong is the pain on a scale of 1 to 10? 10 is the worst amount of pain, and 0, 1 is nothing.
I would say maybe right when it hits like a 3 or a 4.
Does it go beyond that?
No, not really.
All right. Does any of it keep you up at night? Are you able to sleep? I mean, get rest and stuff like that?
I can sleep, but I usually have trouble falling asleep.
Okay.
Just in general.
Just don't sleep well.
I just don't sleep well.
Not from pain. Just.
No, my mind doesn't shut off, and then I'm just always breathing in and out, and I feel like when I'm breathing like that, sometimes I'm waiting for my back to almost pop or crack, but I don't feel anything.
Okay. Do you ever try meditation, anything like that?
Mm-mm.
We should talk about that one. There's some good options available to you these days that are not expensive.
Okay.
And they work quite well. Because if you don't, I mean, straight up, if you cannot sleep, your body has a tough time repairing. And of course, in today's world, that affects your immune system in a negative way. And there's things we can talk about. Because we want a strong, healthy body.
Mm-hmm.
And of course, exercise is one of those components. So you're sleeping okay, not falling asleep that well. Do you stay asleep?
Yes, for the most part, unless one of my kids wakes me up or the dog wakes me
Always.
up. Besides that,
Dogs, cats, and kids.
yes. Besides that, I can stay asleep.
So when you wake up in the morning, get up, start moving, are you able to go, or are you like, okay, my back's a little sore?
It's a little bit of both.
A little well? Okay.
Most days, I'm not a morning person, so
Okay.
most days it does take me a while to wake up.
All right.
So, but I try to like stretch my back and
Sure.
stretch for first thing.
Just want some markers so that as we resume care, we can see things change. You can measure against activities of daily living and see how they're improving.
Yeah.
Okay, no tingling in the arms, hands, legs, feet, just kind of focus back pain and low back pain.
Yeah.
Okay, let's take a look. So what we're gonna do is switch tables over here,
Okay.
and I'll have you switch over here.
Okay.
Let's take a look up here. So right away, we got some knots. Is that tender?
Yeah.
Yeah. Both sides, or just this one?
Just
here?
that side more,
Right
yeah.
side. All right. I might look at trigger points down here. Anything down here?
Not really.
Let's take a look at this knot right there. How's that feeling there?
Feels tight.
Feels tight, yeah. All right. Now your lower back. If we go right to the tailbone area, right through here, how does that feel to touch?
Feels okay.
Feels okay. Okay. All right. We'll turn your head this side. And I'm just gonna palpate here. Should be. How's that feel? Right in
that
there.
hurts, yeah.
Yeah. All right, let's go to the other side. And I'm just gonna feel the right side of the neck. I'm starting to feel some knots in there.
Yeah.
Which hurts more, the right or the left? Or about the same?
They're about the same.
Just knots and muscles. Okay, so I've got some neck to work on. I'm gonna do a quick check here. Let's bring her up here. I'm gonna check the C5 nerve root. Hold that right there for me. I'm gonna push down. Don't let me push it down. And there's no muscle tone. Feel that?
Yep.
So the goal is, our focus is to fix all this. Hold tight. And there's nothing there. Let's do the triceps on this side. You're gonna bring your arm up. You know how to do a tricep extension?
Yes.
We're gonna do that right now. Push. And nothing. Yep. Let's do the biceps. Triceps over here. Push. And you can't hold it. We got some stuff to work on. Let's work on, let's check the bicep reflex here. So we're gonna tuck it in tight here. Don't let me push you up down, hold tight. See how those that are weak?
Yeah.
Hold
Thought I was strong.
I know. It's okay, we're gonna fix them all. Let's go on our back here. I'm gonna do a couple of reflexes here, and then I'm gonna flip over and start doing some muscle work and loosen you up. You said do you run, jog, or anything like that?
I run sometimes at the gym.
How do your ankles and stuff feel when you run?
They usually feel okay, but I kind of twist them around to crack them a little bit. Ooh.
Feel that?
Yeah. I played soccer growing up, so I would always twist an ankle here or there.
I'm gonna check some of the core strength here. I'm gonna block you here, I'm gonna pull the legs.
Okay.
If you don't let me pull the legs, engage your core. See that? I can pull you out of it. Hold tight. Okay, I'm gonna fix that side. I think that's going on. I'm gonna bring you back over. I'm gonna engage, hold tight. See how strong that one is?
Yeah.
Let's compare to this one real quick. I want you to feel that difference, how weak that is. Hold tight. And I can move you right out of there. We gotta work on that too. Alright, let's check the knee. I want you to hold there. I'm gonna push. Don't let me push the leg down. No tone. And you work out.
I know, right? It makes me feel really bad about myself.
I'm gonna make you feel really good in a minute. Bring these up. I want you to lock the adductors, squeeze really tight, and hold tight. And the adductors fail. I'm gonna have you let your legs drop apart. I'm gonna try to push them together. Don't let me. Hold tight. Those are firing, but the adductors are not. The abductors are not. Hold tight for me again. And I can get those. Okay. Right down. Bent. Internal rotation. Hold that right there. Another muscle we're gonna work on, sartorius. Hold tight. Nothing. Hold tight. Nothing. I'm just mapping it out.
I know.
And that's what I'm doing. I'm creating a roadmap for myself so I can figure out where I want to go. Toes to the head. Hold tight for me here. I'm going to push down. That's your L5. Stop firing. Hold tight. And those are all weak. Since you're laying here, I'm going to go ahead and clear up your ankles real quick. Ready? Got 'em. Got 'em. Okay. We'll do a lot more in a minute.
Okay.
Okay. Let's do some trigger point work on the neck and shoulders.
Okay.
So let's get you changed. Come up for me. You got some knots up here. I bet you're going to be ready to start working out soon, though.
Yes, I am ready to get back to the gym.
Alright, let me do some muscle work here. Because I'm going to do some soft tissue work, and then I'm going to get down to some specific work, okay?
Okay.
So let's keep it light here. If anything becomes uncomfortable, tell me, okay?
Okay.
When your lower back hurts, you're feeling it down low here?
Yeah.
We're going to start on this stuff. Now, do you get any gluteal pain here when I get in here?
No.
Glutes? And let's go to this one over here. Any discomfort over here?
Nope.
Okay, that's a good sign. How's that feel in there?
Feels good.
Good. I'm going to release the calves and hamstrings here. How's that? You doing okay there?
That tickles.
Yeah. Any tenderness though?
Any what?
Is it tender?
No.
Tickles. How about if I grab the muscle? Does it hurt? Tender?
No.
No? Okay. I'm gonna go up the back of the leg here. Do the side work here. Any tenderness along the sides when I was working?
Nope.
Just gonna help his body relax a little bit. Now, I'm gonna do some muscle work on this right in here. Now this is all water soluble too, so if it gets on your clothes, it'll wash out. Right there. I'm gonna have you put this back up this way. I'm gonna lift that up right there. Doing okay there?
Mm-hmm.
Just following that scapular border around, working that tissue off. Nice. You can set that down there. Right there's one. Just gonna flatten out some of these muscle bundles here. Is everything comfortable?
Feels good.
Good. Okay. So
I
I
didn't
want
realize
to.
I got so many knots.
Yeah, you start. You can feel me. Can you feel them when I hit them?
Mhm.
Work on them. Good. Oh, there it is, right there. Feel that right there?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna put the arm back up here. I'm gonna follow that border. ahead and set that down. Now, I just want to. You don't want to get into any tender spot here. You've been tender down there?
Oh, that hurts a little bit.
Right there?
Yeah.
It's way down low there. Should be right about.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's go. Just a little bit of muscle work. That's that L5 in there. That's when I did the muscle work on the foot.
Mm-hmm.
That's what you're feeling. That's that nerve. That's that vertebrae irritated right there. Come up a little bit. Now what about right here?
Feels okay.
Feels okay. Other side.
Same.
This is one of the reflexes that is weak on you, L1. Just gonna rock in these back. Right there is your most, right there. All right. I'm just going to adjust some of this area real quick. Can you take a little breath for me? Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm going to do another one here. I'm going to have to clear my hands for this one. I'm going to let this drift over here. Nope, she's not going to let me have it either. You're going to make me earn these. Alright, time to flip over.
Oh boy.
That's okay. I thought for sure you were going to let me adjust those, but your body is definitely pretty tight there. Alright, let's do the neck. You were going as I was bringing it around. Wow. Let's let that rest. We'll come back to fine tune those in a minute. This one over here is weak. So lay on your side and face me over here. Take that one in. So it's here. There's that little one right there. Let's go to this side.
That's a lot.
Anyway, it's good though.
Yeah.
Remember, the thing that I want is, does it create a change to the nervous system? So let's just take a quick look here. Bring that foot up, hold tight. Still a little weak. That's a little stronger. Hold tight for me. No, that one got a little stronger.
Yeah.
Now let's check this one here. Hold tight for me. Still a little weak there. Hold tight for me here. Still weak there. Let me see this arm here. So I'm going to dig in a little more and do some reflex testing here. I'm going to push right here. Hold tight for me. And that's weak. Strong there. And weak there. So you're going to help me out. You're going to take your arm You got a block right there. So that's the L1. Remember that reflex where I have you push to the side? The one's gonna go right there. I'm gonna push right in that spot. Alright, let me have the leg here. Now relax. Take a deep breath in. Let the air all the way out and push in. And move. Pull yourself back up. Let's see if that was enough. Hold tight for me. Let's go back to the reflex. Hold tight. See the change?
That's so crazy.
It's good though.
Yeah.
Hold tight for me. Remember how I bent the leg and pulled on it? Strong there, weak there. Block right here like we just did. And then other fingers right there. When I tell you to, take a deep breath and then blow it out and ride that in.
Okay.
And we have this leg here, relax. Deep breath in, follow it out. There we go. Let's check it again. Press up, hold tight, strong. Let's check the muscle, internal rotate, hold tight. Getting stronger.
Yeah.
Now the last one of the feet. Hold tight from here. Then push right there. Hold tight. Strong there. This is all on your left side that seems to be. You're gonna push right here. Let that relax. Deep breath in. Then push way in there. Let that relax. Let's take a look. Hold tight. Stronger?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Bring the feet up. Hold tight. Stronger. Stronger. Get up and walk around for a second. Got stuff to work on.
Oh no.
Well, I'm just trying to get you tuned up. Sit for me. Now, I know your lower back. We're not done there yet. Let's go ahead and jump up here. I want to see if these reflexes tighten up. Hold tight for me. See how weak that is?
Yeah.
So we got more to do. Go on your back for me. We're gonna do a little trash maneuver on this one. Okay. I'm gonna drop this down. Alright, now. Lock these in. I want you to take a deep breath for me. Let all the air out. Then stretch. Did you feel?
Yeah.
Come on up for me. Let's see if we get a change. That was a nice release though. Bring it up. Hold tight. Better? Yeah. Hold tight. Nice and strong. Let's bring the arms back this way. Do the tricep extension. Hold tight. Not bad. Getting there. Push again. Hold tight. Good. Let's do our bicep strength. Hold tight. There we go. Stronger. Yeah. Hold tight. Is that stronger?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. I like it. All right, let's have you walk for a second, and then I want to check the leg reflexes again and see if we've got them all.
Okay.
And you're getting a workout today.
I know. Well, I haven't had it in a while.
All right, so let's go back, scooch forward a little bit for me. Then take this leg, push it to the ceiling, and hold right there for me. Don't even push it down. See that, all three? Still a little weak when you sit. Hold tight. Not bad. I'm gonna fix this side. Let's do the feet again. Hold tight for me. I'm gonna push down. Stronger, but not where I want it. Okay. Let's go back again. I gotta get help. Alright. Let it relax. Let the leg relax. There you go. Nice. Let's go back over here. I'm gonna do L. Cast I need you back over here. Touch. Here's L5. Still won't hold. Hold tight for me. Let's block right here. Hold tight for me. Don't let me push the leg down. Hold tight. That's it right there. Okay. Let's do this again. Take a deep breath in. All the way out.
Yeah, that moved.
That moved. Now bring the leg out. Hold tight. That's better. Now go walk for a second. Okay, just trying to get the reflexes strong again. Now have a seat for me. I'm gonna check up top one more time. I'm gonna have you look down towards the floor. Hold tight for me. Strong. Hold. Nice and strong, triceps. Remember, now go ahead, push. That's holding. Keep looking down. We're stretching the spinal cord out. That's nice and strong. Those are good. I want to do the grip strength with you real quick. Okay, yeah, so you see how weak that is? I gotta fix that. Lock in tight with your fingers here, as strong as you can. See how I can peel the fingers?
Yeah.
We gotta fix those. Try tip to tip, hold tight. That's reasonably strong on this side. Hold tight for me. On your back. Okay, deep breath for me. All the way up. Keep moving. That move?
Yeah, got a good stretch.
Couldn't feel it. Sit up for me, I'm gonna check it. Where's that again? Well, it's stronger though.
Yeah.
Hold tight for me. That's actually holding a lot better. Okay, scooch forward. Feet one more time. Point to the ceiling. That's better. Hold. One more time. Still, lower back is a problem too, isn't it? Go flat on your back for me. Let's do bilateral on each side. We're going to hold them both until I sound. Knee on the leg. Deep breath in. And move. Yeah, this one, deep breath in. Hold it up. What? You feel them? How's it feeling? Better? Feeling a change? Can you feel anything different?
Not really.
Alright,
Well, sore enough from all the pushing.
I mean, you got some tightness in that lower back. You said you were getting that thumping sound though when you were doing extensions.
Yeah.
Hold tight for me. Alright, that's strong. Hold tight. That's strong. Go ahead and lay on the back and do that exercise again.
I don't hear it.
Oh, here it is. It's gone. Come on up for me. We've made some changes though.
Yeah.
You can tell that what was weak, it's stronger now.
Mm-hmm.
I just think this is first visit back in a couple of years, so it's going to take me a little bit of work.
Yeah.
Is there anything else? I mean, I know I've got I did some muscle work in the neck, middle back, adjusted the lower back, thumping's gone, better grip strength. You're going to make me work. Does that cover everything?
I think so.
So
That's good.
what I want to do is do a follow-up. That's what you really need, is get your body to rest now.
Mm-hmm.
And then, so what I would do is go play, exercise, and then let's do a follow-up in another week or so and see where we are.
Okay.
Okay?